For these lessons, we'll be discussing about the subtraction of fractions and mixed numbers without regrouping. Here are the steps that we need to follow for the subtracting of fractions and mixed numbers without regrouping. Number 1, find the least common denominator or the LCD. Number 2, express the fractions into similar fractions whose denominator is equal to the LCD. Number 3, subtract the fractions and then subtract the whole numbers as well. And number 4, simplify the difference if necessary or possible. Let's have the following example. Letter A, we have 10 over 11 minus 7 over 8. As you can see, they have different denominators, so we need to look for their LCD before we can subtract them. So the LCD of 11 and 8 is 88. 88 divided by 11 is 8. 8 times 10 is 80. 88 divided by 8 is 11. 11 times 7 is 77. Next, since we now have similar fraction, we can now subtract the two fractions. 80 minus 77 is 3, and then just copy the denominator, which is 88. Since we cannot simplify this fraction anymore, therefore this is now our final answer. Letter B, 19 over 21 minus 4 over 7, with the same as letter A, we need to look for their LCD as well. So we need to subtract, we need to get first their LCD before we can subtract them. So the LCD of 21 and 7 is 21. Next, 21 divided by 21 is 1. 1 times 19 is 19. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. We can now subtract the two. 19 minus 17, 19 minus 12 is 7 over, copy the denominator, which is 21. We can still simplify this by dividing these two numbers with their GCF, or with their greatest common factor, that is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Therefore, the final answer for letter B is 1 over 3. Next, letter C, we have 2 whole and 2 over 3 minus 4 over 15. So we need to look for their LCD first. The LCD of these two fractions is 15. So we need to divide. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Next, 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Since we do not have a whole number on the other fraction, we just have to copy the number 2. Next, 10 minus 4 is 6. Copy the denominator, which is 15. We can still simplify 6 over 15 by dividing these numbers by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Do not forget to add your whole number. So therefore, the final answer here is 2 whole and 2 over 5. For letter D, we have 8 whole and 17 over 18 minus 11 over 12. So the LCD of these two fractions is 36. 36 divided by 18 is 2. 2 times 17 is 34. 36 divided by 12 is 3. 3 times 11 is 33. Copy the whole number 8. 34 minus 33 is 1. Copy the denominator, 36. So therefore, our answer is 8 whole and 1 over 36. For the last one, we have letter E. We have 4 whole and 5 over 8 minus 1 whole and 7 over 10. So their LCD is 40 minus 1 over 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Next, we need to subtract now. To solve this problem, we need to regroup our first mixed number, since 25 cannot be divided by 28, so we need to borrow from our whole number, which is 4. So we need to borrow, so 4 will become 3, and the one whole that we borrowed will be changed into 40 over 40 by copying the denominator. And then we need to add 40 over 40 to the fraction 25 over 40. So we have 3 whole and 65 over 40. Since 65 now is bigger than 28, we can now subtract the 2. So 65 minus 28 is 37 all over 40. Do not forget that you have your whole number, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the final answer is 2 whole and 37 over